Hey man, so what are we doing today?
Yo mama. Or not.
You hear the crickets?
You smell good. Anyway.
That's just my breath. Hold up, let me clock the mug like that. Alright.
It's tuning time.
Yeah, we're putting the tune on.
Yeah.
How do I turn around? We're just gonna come back up. So, I emailed the RKtunes what? Yesterday?
Yeah.
And I got it the next day in the morning.
Bro, could have had it this whole time.
Hey man, he needs to update his thing. So what dyno are we gonna use?
The butt.
Yep.
L butt dyno.
And I bought the tune in what, August? End of August?
Did you really buy it in August?
I think so. Or like, yeah. Because I sent the email September 2nd. Like I sent him my file.
Oh yeah, I guess you did, yeah.
So it's been a month in the making pretty much.
I hope you put the tune on right.
Yeah.
You brought all the instructions?
What instructions?
Oops, almost stalled it, let's go!
No, chirp second. And that's 70 right there.
He said chirp second?
Is that not what a chirp is?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I do it fast, I do it furious.
it's pretty fast, man. That look like Shaq?
Yep.
Okay. That's enough of that. Vibration.
Yep. Burn.
It just lets you know that
It's working.
the drive shaft is there.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
we gonna keep that out of the video.
What was it feel like 140 wheel?
120?
120 wheel?
With that rear end, probably 120.
It's not the slowest thing.
No, it's pretty slow. My car is slightly faster than a Mark 6.5 Jetta. That's what you have, right?
Yep.
And it can keep up with that Audi that Caden has.
Yep. Audi on the back roads. Mexico.
No, we don't do that stuff.
Well,
No, we don't. Editor, edit that out the video.
sorry. We pull up.
Did I ask for the pop tune?
Did you? Sure. Do you finally want to do some data logging?
Yeah, we can. Can I take your order?
May I take your order?
Okay, tune time. Put the camera. We are currently putting the tune on currently.
Joey's mapping it out.
Yeah, fixing that massive hole in my fuel map.
You got a hole, man.
You click identify. Error community. Oh, we should probably turn it on first. Hit identify. Should I clear my codes?
Follow the instructions, man.
I don't say to clear my codes. And the email didn't say to clear it either.
Clear the codes, man. Clear the codes. See what just happened?
Is that normal?
CEL is gone.
And my temp gauge just got pinned.
It's just gonna be hot all the time now.
Yep.
Look, man. There it goes, man.
I hope my battery doesn't die.
Battery.
Tune is nearly finished completion, innit?
Where is it normally? It normally sits on cold, doesn't it? Right.
When it's on, it'll sit at the temperature that the car is at.
Okay.
But I know my temperature is not that.
No. Hopefully it goes back to normal.
Nah, it won't. My car
Always hot.
exploded. Exploded,
It's
man.
gone, man.
Exploded. Did your nose touch it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I got real. Hey, man.
Wake up, man.
Uh-oh. Just break my ECU, guys. Okay, now I'm starting to get a little worried. Okay, so we figured out what the issue was. What was the issue, Chad?
Bro was loading the bubbles on the waiting screen.
Yep. It's almost done. Almost done. I'm gonna get... How many horsepower did he say?
15, man.
15?
10, 15?
And I got an M50 manifold coming soon. That's the winter project. Get 5 more out of that.
Be nice.
My K&N filter.
Big NA build coming.
Yep. Just M50 manifold and that's it. Alright, the tune has been successfully
The tune
installed
is on.
according to RKtunes. So we are going.
First impressions, though?
I think the throttle's more responsive. But, yeah, I think it is. I think it's a little more faster. Because remember when I was doing that before?
Oh, yeah, it kind of hits, doesn't it?
More torque to it, man. That one mosquito is just really bothering me right now.
He gonna get you. Oh, yeah.
Alright. It's definitely more torque. I can feel that.
Oh, yeah, it does. It kind of throws you back a little bit.
It used to do that. Right? No?
No. Even when you would get on it.
Yeah, you just be like... But we gonna find out. We'll find out. Right here.
Oh, it's definitely got a little more torque, doesn't it?
I think it's a little faster too.
It put my head back on the headrest.
Good. That was 65. I'll go up to 70.
Oh, it's definitely higher.
Yeah.
It is quicker. It doesn't really feel like a grandma car anymore.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. New record.
When you get in your car, it's gonna feel so much faster because you're gonna get used to this.
Yeah.
Do that data logging.
Oh.
I need to get that muffler, man. Alright, you can cut the cameras down.
I'm gonna cut something.
What?